Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my experience trying out the Beauty Secrets DIY acrylic nail kit that I got from Sally's Beauty for $19.99. So since I already filmed and everything, this is the kit. Obviously this isn't how it comes. I just kind of threw the stuff back in the container. I did already do my nails and it's a couple days later. I'm going to show you the process of me trying out the kit and doing an acrylic nail set. And then I will be back to show you, or to share with you my final thoughts on the kit and give you an update on the nails. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do before I even get into the kit is just remove my old nail polish and also trim any nails that need it. Here is the nail kit. They have an odorless version and it's about $8 more. We're just gonna get into this kit and see what it's all about, ladies. There we go. Got it. Okay, look at all this stuff, you guys. So this is one of my favorite parts, is the little dish, because that's really important. My cat's just unplugged the heater. So you got the little dish, so cute, so professional, love it. We have all these nail tips. It comes with 40 nail tips. So we have some solid white ones and then some more kind of translucent tips over here. I think I like these ones better. It comes with the nail glue for gluing the tips to the end of your finger, which is so clutch because I didn't even think of that. If it didn't come with this, I would have totally forgot. We have a nice little nail file with 2 different textures. We have nail liquid, I guess. This is the nail dehydrant, which I heard is a really essential step to achieving successful acrylics, in that it dehydrates your nails and really helps the acrylic attach on. Nail primer, acid-free. What's up? The acrylic powder, 2 acrylic powders actually, so that's really cool. This is what they call the nail form, but I have no idea how to use it. I might have to look up a tutorial. We have some directions, which, trust me, I will be needing. Oh, and guys, how could I forget? Our little brush, which I have another backup one that's actually like a paintbrush, because I know these can get ruined really quickly, so yeah. I actually watched a YouTube video from Kira Sky, and it seems that you only use the nail form when you're not using tips. I did plan on using the tips, so I may not be using the nail forms today after all, but I would love to try that a different day. So the first step I'm going to do is take this file and buff all my nails and remove the shine. So then I'm just gonna remove any debris, which would really just be like nail powder from filing. Then I'm going to apply the nail prep B4 to all my nails. You just need like a little drop on each nail. Has kind of a funny scent to it. But now it's already time to glue on. Okay, my cats are being super loud, I apologize. But it's already time to glue on the nail tips. So I'm gonna go ahead and fit them. I have my nails laid out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the extra ones back in the little bag. And now I will start gluing, filing, and shaping. And the directions say to hold the tip there on the nail for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay guys, I'm finally done filing, at least for the time being. and it is time to apply the Beauty Secrets acid-free nail primer. Now you're supposed to apply this to your natural nail only and let it dry for 30 seconds. Okay guys, so things are about to get real. I'm dumping my acrylic liquid, or my nail liquid I should say, into this little dish. This is the smelly part. I'm opening my window. I'm kind of scared, to be honest. So the directions give you the steps to doing a 3-ball method with the nail liquid and the acrylic powder. You make a little ball, and then it basically tells you to do 1 ball at the tip of the nail, spread it out and shape it, 1 ball at the middle of the nail, spread it out and shape it, and 1 ball up here, spread it out and shape it. Okay, it also says to wipe the brush on a clean towel frequently. If I have to go grab a backup brush, I guess I will. I don't really want to. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Why is it so white? Okay, the color is bright white. That's why I'm confused. I never had that before. It's all good though. But I feel like there's not enough powder on here. Yeah, I didn't know the color was bright white. I mean, I guess I don't really have a problem with it, but it's a little weird. So this did not really work. Like, I'm gonna try and remove that excess stuff. I must have had too much liquid. I'm gonna try and let this dry, and then I'll give it another shot. In the meantime, I'm gonna try to do this nail. So there you have it. This is my nails. That was 2 nights ago, and this is my nails today. Cuticle pusher was very helpful. I don't really know what I would have did without that part. One nail broke yesterday because my toddler kicked it, and I was kind of disappointed that it had broke that easily. Another one broke like in the night. I don't even remember this one breaking. So the durability might be just a little better than the Kiss acrylic nail kit that I tried before, but still not up to salon standards. I'm going to make a future video where I try just the nail sculpting without the tips. Give the kit 1 thumb up so far. Overall not too bad, but still not perfect like I was hoping for. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Again, that's the Beauty Secrets acrylic nail kit for $19.99. They also have an odorless one. I may have mentioned that already, but whatever. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have any other tips on getting nails to last and stay on, maybe I need to file more, I don't know, just leave a comment below. And thank you for watching. Bye.